Water Today's Water Expo.
So hi everyone, I am Vinod Malviya. I am the Managing Director Asia Pacific from IBEMFO Filtration Private Limited. It's a German subsidiary and we're into the membrane-based wastewater technologies, and we are also into the sequential batch reactor technologies. So it is an absolute platform, and we wanted to educate our visitors about the upcoming trend and technologies of the wastewater treatment plant. Since the water recycling is becoming mandatory in India, so our MBR technology is very useful for that technique, and we are very educating our visitor about this technology. So trending of market is changing very frequently. Like our Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that by 2070 India has to be net zero in terms of carbon emissions, in terms of water and wastewater treatment recycling. So market trend is getting very dynamically change, and wastewater is going to contribute a lot by providing new technologies via this kind of platform. So like India is an emerging market, and water is an always new subject and critical subject for Indian companies. So when we talk about the water saving, wastewater treatment and recycling, of course technology is going to play a very important and major role in this kind of industry. So of course the new technologies, new companies, new innovation is going to uplift the standard of the water and wastewater treatment industries. So I have been to the many exhibitions, and water today specifically has been very fruitful for all of us. They are very much focused. Region specific visitors are coming to the stall. Many OEMs, water treatment industrialists, end customer, multinational companies, government authorities has been visiting, and I'm sure this is going to be very useful for all of us. So of course there are the two kind of organization. One organization only organize a national level of the event, but we should percolate our presence to the regional level. And the regional exhibitions organized by the Water Today is phenomenal. Like as a business owner, if I want to get accordate with the Karnataka market, Bangalore is very useful. If we are targeting a Bangladesh market, I think wonderful platform we are going to get from the Water Today. So I think it's a good experience, and I'm sure it is going to convert into the business. Thank you.
Delhi Water Expo, 13th, 14th and 15th July 2023 at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi.